Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do this Afro groove, and in the end we are going to learn this footwork also. So make sure that you're sticking around till the end, and now let's quickly see how I'm doing with the music. Alright guys, so hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Abrar back here again with another video. Let me tell you guys, this is the fourth tutorial which I'm doing it of her. Like, I don't know man, she's going crazy and making so much of good TikToks. Women TikTok is still trending all over the world. You guys might have learned from me. But yeah, so big shout out to her. Now let's quickly start off with the first step. So first thing first, it's super easy. Basically you need to pretend like you're having a gun. I mean somebody's beating you from the bullet and you're going like, oh. Alright, and your body should be bending like this, head should be looking to the ceiling, right? So 1, alright, and with that even you have to tap your right back onto your toe and then tap it over here and have a lock. Alright, so it will be like 1, 2, and with that the hands are super easy. After tapping your leg back, your hands will take something inside and tap. That's it. Alright, so it goes like 5, 6, super slow, goes 1, 2. Alright, make sure that after tapping only your hands are going to start. Make sense? Last time, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Then back. As soon as you come back, you have to turn this side. Only your upper body should be turning, not your leg also, only the upper body, and you just have to clean the floor like this. Alright, with your right leg, clean it and take it up, keep it down. Super slow, one more time. We did this and ha, turn this side, clean the floor and tap. That's all. Alright, some people will keep their leg like this, which we are not going to do it. We are just going to drag it and up and down. That's it. Alright, and as soon as you do this, now our left leg is back. Now what we'll do, we'll take our left up and show like this. It's like you have just squeezed the poop, alright, and you're just showing someone, and then keep it back to the place. Alright, so it's like from the top goes 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Making sense? Super slow. One more time. 5, 6, 7, bullet. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 5. Just show and come back. That's all. Alright. One more step we are going to learn, and then we are going to try it on the slow music. Right? Let's do it. So we did this and ha ha. As soon as you do that, what you have to do, you just have to tap your right leg 2 times and keep it back to the place. Alright, over here my full body weight is on my left. We are here, we just showed the poop, come back, tap, tap. Super easy, right? With that you just have to clap, clap, upside. Alright, don't clap it near to your face. I'm telling this because I did this mistake while shooting the TikTok. So yeah, just 1, 2 and 3 also you have to take it up. So we'll be having the countings like 1, 2 and. On and your leg will be coming up. Cool? Let's try till here goes 5, 6 from the top goes 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and. Make sure that you're taking your leg up also, because we have to continue the other step too. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and. Making sense, right? Just clap it like cheerleaders, right? You're just cheering someone like that. But make sure that you're keeping your full body weight onto your left while doing this thing, right? I hope that is making sense. Let's quickly try it last time from the top. On the counts, we'll go this time little fast and then we'll try it on the slow music. Goes 5, 6 from the top. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6. And if I do it only on the lyrics, it will look like Ulle, amino comparashi, ulle. On ulle we have to clap like ulle, like that, and then take your leg up. Right? I know that I'm singing the lyrics wrong, but I hope that you guys are able to understand it. Now let's quickly try it on the slow music till here, and then we'll go forward. Let's do it. I hope that you're able to catch this. Ulle. Alright, let's try to increase little speed and let's try it. Let's do it. Come on. Perfect guys, you guys are killing this speed. Now let's quickly go forward. As soon as you do ulle up, now we are here, make sure that you're balancing. Alright, as soon as you come here, let's learn the legs first. You just have to tap your right leg down and take your knee inside, take your left up, tap it down, take it inside. Alright, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we did ulle up, 1, 2, 3, 4. But when you're tapping your leg, make sure that even your body is vibrating like 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, with that you have to keep your hands like you're holding something in your hand. 1 and turn it inside, 2 and turn it inside. That's all, super easy, right? So we did ulle and 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We did this. Poop back. Ulle. 1 inside, 2 inside. As soon as you do this, what you have to do, close your left. We'll be having a slight gap in that, and then we'll be going cross and then down, bounce your body again. Alright, so with that you have to go cross, down and bounce your body. As soon as you bounce, you need to pretend like you're making someone sleep. Alright, what we will do, sleep, 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 sleep. We'll do this thing, right? In India we'll do this thing. I don't know about you. So what we will do, we'll just do this and take inside our right first, then same to the other side and back. This will be slow guys. Alright, we need to do the same thing which we did over here, but we'll go and come back, go and come back. That's all. So it will be looking like 1, 2 and back, like that. Cool. One more time. We'll do it from ulle. Goes 5, 6, 7. We did ulle and 1 inside, 2 inside, cross, bounce and 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, if you observe, when I'm taking my heel out, even I'm taking my body slightly up so that the step will look little more good. So make sure even you guys are doing it. One more time, super slow. From ulle goes 5, 6, 7, 8. Ulle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and bounce. 1, 2, body up, down. Perfect. I hope that is making sense. Last time, 5, 6, then we'll try it from the top. 7, 8, go. Ulle. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Now till here, we'll try it from the top on the slow music and then we'll go a little more fast like we did before. Let's do it. 7, 8. I hope that is making sense. Even this one is coming on ulle lyrics and then something kind of that lyrics. I know I'm thinking around, but I hope that you guys are making sense, right? Let's quickly try it one more time, but this time little more speed. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7. Perfect guys, you guys are killing it, trust me on that. Let's quickly go forward. As soon as you do this, now we gotta do the Bengo Baila step. You guys might have done probably, but if not, what you have to do, we are here, we'll just keep our right, left, right. We just need to tap it basically like normally, normal. With that, your hand will go 1, it's like you're brushing your teeth but with your both hands, and then down your chest and then on your vest, right? 1, 2, 3, and then clap, open your hands. It's like you're swimming, right? So 1, 2, 3 and swim. Then right will go straight, left come to your right shoulder. Cool? Those are the hands. If I do it with the leg, just tap it, tap it, tap it, swim. With the swim, I'm gonna take my right up, I'm gonna keep it over there, and then again I'm gonna show the poop. Alright, we gotta do the same thing which we did before, right? So it goes like we did sleep, sleep, one, right leg, left leg, right leg. Now 1, 2, up. Making sense? So it's like 1, 2. With the left, your hand will be coming like this. And over here, the legs will go like, make a like a like she, like that. Alright? Until that, you have to be ready. Let's try it from the ole. The second ole goes 5, 6, 7, go. Ole, groove, inside, groove, inside. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoop, whoop, like that. Alright? And from here, the part goes little tricky, so make sure that you're watching it first and then trying it. So what you gotta do, we did this last. Now from here, your left leg will tap. As soon as your left tap, your right will come up. Alright? It's like you're keeping something on this side, and as soon as you keep this side, this will come up, right? The same way, boom, like that you have to do it. I hope that this example suits it, but yeah, you guys are getting it, right? So we are here, we did this, left is up, boom, right up. Now we'll tap and tap. We'll tap our right 2 times. I'll teach you guys hands in a while. So we are here, boom, ha and ha, then in, out. Alright, so we are tapping 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Cool. So we are here. From here we go 5, 6, 7, go. Boom. Oh. With the left, our hand is ready. 1. Ha and ha and ha ha. Like that. This will be fast. Over here, we will be catching beats like doom, ta doom, ta. So we are here. We did doom, ta doom, ta doom, ta. Like that, we have to catch the beats. Make sure that you're keeping the beats in mind so that it will be easier for you to do it. So it goes like we did doom, ta doom, ta doom, ta. And the hands are super easy with that. So we are here. Now what we'll do, we'll take our right up. Now we'll keep our left down. If you want to keep it over here, it's up to you. Now we'll just beat it, ta, ta, just that's it. Okay, beat it and tap, ha, ha. Over here, no hands. When you're doing this thing 2 times, we'll be having hands. Just beat it, ha, ha. That's it. Alright. With that, if you want to have a lock also, you can do that too. So we are here, doom, ta, boom, ha, ha. Like that. So it goes like one more time. From here goes 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Whoop. Left up. Whoop. Ta, doom, ha, ha. That's it, guys. And now there comes the last step, the last footwork which everybody is struggling into. So what you gotta do, basically I'm gonna teach it with the basic step. In this, you need to keep this bounce, this jumps in your mind. Just jump. As soon as you jump, make sure you're bending your body. Right goes out. And now you have to take your right up and keep it over here. With that, you have to have a jump also. Jump, and then right goes out. Jump, right goes out. Jump, right goes out. Cool. This is the footwork that you need to keep in mind. So it goes like jump, jump, and jump. Alright. And with that, when you're going this, you have to take your toe inside also. With that, it's like you're pulling your left with your right leg, like 1, and then jump straight 2, jump straight 3, like that. Only 3 times you have to do, or maybe 4 times. It's up to you, right? So we are here. We did last this, ta dun ta din din. Now we go jump, out, jump, back to the place, out, jump, back to the place, out. Alright, that's it. If I do it in the fast, it will look like we did ta ta ta, ha, ha, ha. Like that you have to do it. Alright. For this speed you need to practice a little bit, guys. Even I did, and hopefully you guys are gonna get it also. And with that being said, you have learned your TikTok dance. Now let's quickly try it from the start. till the end on the slow music, and then we'll increase the speed as usual. Let's do it. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Go. Perfect guys, I hope that you guys are able to hear the beats which is going on when you're doing the step. If you're keeping the beats in mind guys, it will be super easy for you to do it. Alright, one more time, but this time we'll go a little fast with the speed. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7. Perfect guys, you guys are doing so good, trust me on that. One more time, but this time we're going to go on 80 speed. This was the 60. Let's go little more fast. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect guys, you guys are doing so good. Last time, but this time we'll go to the 90 speed. Let's do it, come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect guys, you guys are doing so good. And with that being said, if this TikTok tutorial helped you a little bit or you liked my hard work, if I show you guys the time, it's 2 o'clock of the night, if you guys are able to see it. So yeah, and if you have any request, Instagram link is down there. DM me the request. I'm literally gonna make the next video off of your request. And now let's quickly try it on the normal speed.